Today I'm going to show how I make herbal oil. This is an excellent oil made by virgin coconut oil. It is good for hair growth as well as for moisturizing your skin. You can apply this oil to the skin of your children before they bath. It will give excellent results. I've kept 1 liter of virgin coconut oil on the stove in a low flame, and I have added some fenugreek leaves, also known as methi leaves, in the oil. So this is the brand that I'm using. I have ordered this from Amazon Pantry. I will put a link in the description. Next we will start adding all the ingredients one by one. Next is some chopped shallots. They are very good for hair. I'm adding that to the oil. Next ingredient is tulsi. I've washed it and kept it. Tulsi will also help to remove lice in the hair, especially if you have lice in your children's hair. Adding some washed curry leaves to the oil. At this point, if you can find neem leaves, it will be an excellent ingredient. I highly recommend it, but I couldn't find any neem leaves in this COVID-19 situation. But I highly recommend it. It is good for your hair as well as skin. I'm adding some more curry leaves. This is from a plant in my balcony. Watching putting it in the oil. You can see that the oil is boiling quite well. It's still on the low flame. Next ingredient is aloe vera. So aloe vera has a yellow discharge which needs to be removed. I've cut it and allowed it to strain on a tissue paper. You can see how much it has strained. It is very much important to remove it. So meanwhile, I'm adding some more chopped shallot to the oil. I love the smell which the shallot gives to the oil. Also, it is very good for hair. I've washed and cut the aloe vera. I've tried to remove as much sap as possible from the pieces. Now I'll add it to the oil. Scrap the aloe vera into the oil using a fork. A fork is an excellent tool. So aloe vera is another excellent ingredient for skin as well as hair care. It will help in moisturizing your skin. So let me add the rest of the aloe vera to the oil. At this point, I want to reiterate that you need to allow the yellow sap to go out of the aloe vera, which is very much important, especially if you are going to use it to moisturize your skin. Please take care of that step. Now I'll allow the oil to boil on a low flame again. I will allow it to boil for around 15 to 20 minutes so that all the ingredients are infused in the oil, and will allow it to cool down. So now the oil has completely cooled down. You can see the greenish yellow tinge for the oil. I will leave it like this for a day or two so that all the ingredients are infused into the oil before straining out the oil. So here is the strained oil. You can see the color. It has a very beautiful smell also.